ರಕ್ತ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳ ಮೀರಿದ ಬಂಧವಿದು, ಯಾವ ಬಿಂದುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಧಿಸುವುದು. ಚಾಚಿ ತೋಳುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಗಿದಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿ ನೋವನ್ನು ತನ್ನದೆಂದು ಕೈಯ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಬೆಸೆದು ಮುಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಡೆವ ಎಂದು. ಕಣ್ಣ ಕಂಬನಿಯ ಒರೆಸುವ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ.
My friends who made my college life more beautiful and joyful, and also more memorable in the campus of PGI, which I can't forget throughout my life.
When I joined this college in TUC, it was its initial stage of development. But now, after 5 years, the college is growing rapidly and touching the heights of it.
And always be thankful from the bottom of my heart.
In next 5 years, I want one person from your batch to be the chief guest of the 10th annual graduation day.